Well, when light moving that way, it's bending near sun, and that's why when we have moon here, we can see sun. We see some other stars behind, almost behind sun. We can see this star looks like it's been here, but we already know it's here. And what science people told for us, like Stephen Hawking, he told for us this is proof there is curved space. So space curving, they told for us. And when you ask how you can prove there is a curving space, they told we can prove that with bending light. But it's a quite funny thing because of course this light bending, but I don't understand how it's prove space curving, because if I say monster of spaghet get this light bending, and if somebody asks me how you can prove there is this spaghet monster, I just told yes, I can prove that with that bending lights, because this light bending, because there is a monster of spaghet monsters, and that's the way. So it's not science, but when these people told this bending light proves curving space, it is science. It's quite funny thing. But if somebody else say this light bending because there is angels, also they can prove these angels with that bending lights. But what really happens, it is because photons expanding and recycling, expanding movement, expanding energy, and this old light stop here, and of course sun emit new photons, but new photons don't have a time so much to recycling, expanding movement. There is not moving that expanding movement between new photons so much, but there's coming billions and billions years old lights which already recycling, expanding movement a lot. That's why there's moving this kind of expanding movement which pushing these lights which came here that way, and that's why this light bending, and that's what we can prove with a very long shoot cutter or even a very long wall. And we have a telescope, and when this light coming here, some faraway galaxies light coming here, this cutter shoot wall stop these photons and these old photons between expanding movement, which expanding photons recycling, and that movement can't push these photons. But there is a open side where coming also very old photons, and with these photons there between is expanding movement, but expanding photons recycling, and it's pushing these lights, so we can see different place this galaxy because this light bending. And of course then we know this cutter or shoot or wall, it's not curved that space, so you can forget there is no curving space, there is just light which expanding. So I think photons have a size, inside movement and density, and these smaller denser, they expanding more denser, they recycling expanding movement, and they pushing themselves far away, and later photons are bigger, and that's why expanding lights can get other lights expanding faster. And also we can explain why old light is redshifting. Thanks. Yes, let's check out these redshifting lights. We have a lot of galaxies and emptiness, a lot of galaxies and emptiness. We are here. There's coming older light, what this light is, and it's moving all the way here. After that, it's interacted with the new expanding photons, and new photons are a little bit faster. They can push these old photons, and that's why old light redshifting. Also, here is the galaxies, and galaxies, and there's coming light which is older what that light is, and they start moving same direction, and these new photons, they can push this old light from here, and that's why old light redshifting. So there is no expanding space at all. This is something what Stephen Hawking or anybody before me could not found out, and they don't understand this yet. And let's remember, I love you.